In today's video, I'm going to talk about how my online business completely changed my life, right? Now guys, just under 2 years ago, I was working several 9-to-5 jobs, right? I was working in Argos, I was working World Duty Free, I was working in Sky, I was working in so many different 9-to-5 jobs, and I had enough, right? I was working. I decided, you know what? I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to quit my job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai, right? I had no savings, no money, just a little bit of online income and a dream that I want to move to Dubai and I want to make money online. And I took the biggest risk and I just did it, right? Now, when I came here to Dubai, I had no money, I had no savings. All I had was that dream that I want to make money, I want to live here, and I've got 2-3 months to find something, to find a way to stay here in Dubai. So that's what I did. I moved to Dubai, and initially I was trying to find jobs because jobs was the quickest way I could find a way to settle in here. And I applied for many different jobs, and I basically got rejected for all of them. If you guys know what it's like trying to get a job out here, it's extremely difficult. The competition is way too high, and you've got to be completely exceptional for you to get a job here, or you need to accept a much lower paying job, right? Which even that I was prepared to do because I just wanted to stay here. And guys, while I was getting rejected, I decided, you know what? Let me go full in on my online business. Let me work harder. Let me just put in all my effort into my online business, and I'm just going to focus on that, right? And over time, what happened was I started making more money. Now, at the time, I was doing YouTube sponsorships, right? I was making videos around drop shipping, and then sponsors would hit me up, say, look, promote this, promote my product, promote my service, all that kind of stuff, right? So I was doing that for a good 4 to 6 months. And it got to a point where I realized that I was basically doing another 9-to-5 job. And I didn't want to do this anymore. And that's when I started my online coaching business, which now generates me over 6 figures a year, right? Now, just before I continue, guys, if you do want freedom and you want to make money online where I can scale you to 10K a month, work with me by clicking the link in the description below and booking a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I can see exactly how I can actually help you. And just a quick one, guys, if you want the 10K coaching model breakdown, which is completely free, by the way, it's a completely free PDF, which you could download. Click the link in the description, download that, because that'll break down exactly the business model, and I'll also explain it later on in the video. Now, my online business completely changed my life, guys. I went from working 12 hours a day, about 40, 50 hours a week, right? Coming home exhausted, going outside to go to work in the morning, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. when it was cold, it was freezing, it was raining in, the gloomy sides of the UK. And now living in Dubai, basically having control over my life where I get to wake up when I want, work when I want, make 6 figures a year, right? And guys, I have bigger plans because next year my goal is to make 100K in a month, and I'm very close to that goal. So that's gonna happen next year. But guys, going from making about 2 grand a month, surviving, paying half of that was going on my car, which I financed at the time, to basically having no money at the time, in the gloomy sides of the UK, to move into Dubai where I work for myself, live a better life, wake up when I want, go outside in the balcony, it's hot all the time, it's sunny all the time. I get to work in different locations. I can work in a mall, I can go to Dubai Marina, I can go to Dubai Creek Harbour. I can basically work wherever I want. And it's so crazy to me because literally just under 2 years ago, I used to go to my workplace and think, is life just going to be like this? And I remember just waking up early in the morning thinking, I can't keep doing this. I can't keep doing this. And I wasn't doing nothing at the time, to be fair to myself. I was still working on my online business at the time, which basically allowed me to live here in the first place. But guys, I grinded so hard, right? I was working. Even with my 9-to-5 job, I used to take my laptop, take it to lunch, work on my online business. And I was just working hard, guys. Like, it was very difficult, but at the same time, it was also rewarding because I knew where I was going to be. I knew where I was going to end up. Now, the issue is a lot of you guys that are watching this video, you're not doing anything, right? Or if you have done something, you've given up. And the thing is, it's very easy to give up. It's very easy to not start because, guys, you're so comfortable and so focused in what you're doing at the moment, you think life is magically going to change for you, but it doesn't work like that. And I'm urging you guys, my online business completely changed my life, and I'm telling you, it can completely change yours too. But you also need to focus on the right business model, right? So the business model that I do is an online coaching program, which is where I help other people just like you watching this video start an online business by selling your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients so you can actually quit your job, make 10K a month and have freedom, right? That's ultimately my goal with my coaching program, for people that join, right? And the best thing about it is my clients have had some fantastic results. Like I've had a 20-year-old who joined me, who was from Australia, right? And he made 25 grand off one YouTube video. And the funny thing is, that was his first YouTube video, which is crazy. I've had another client that made 6 grand in a single day. I've had a client that was a complete beginner, booked their first call within just 2 weeks of working with me. I have worked with several clients who have delivered some fantastic results, and I've made some crazy money, signed their first client for either 5K a month or 3K a month, or made 5 grand or 10 grand. There have been some amazing results, and guys, you can do the exact same, right? Now, this video is not just talking about my coaching program, because I want to talk about more how you guys should be starting an online business, right? Because you guys could start a business today, right? An online business today, and within 6 months, or even within 3 months, completely change your life. Guys, don't underestimate the power of starting now. Don't underestimate the power of putting in work now. A lot of you guys hold off. A lot of you guys wait. I'm going to start tomorrow. I'm going to start in the New Year's. I'm going to start on Monday. Guys, stop pushing back. The reason why I am where I am today is because I always did things now. If I had an idea, I started now. If I had something to do, I did it now. I didn't wait, right? A lot of you guys are probably going to be watching this thinking, I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait until Monday, or I'm going to wait until later on, or you're probably watching this in the New Year's thinking that, yeah, I'm going to start later on. Guys, I'm telling you from experience that later on never comes. If you want to start now. Like, why are you delaying something that could change your life? And what you're going to do is keep pushing it back, and your life's going to be the same. What's going to happen is 20 years, 30 years are going to go by, and you're going to think to yourself, wow, I wish I had started when I was younger. Now, let me put this into perspective, right? When I was working my 9-to-5 job back in the UK in Sky, for example, and someone was there for like 28 years or something like that, and Sky was celebrating it, and everyone was happy, and I remember looking at that person thinking, he must have had dreams and aspirations and goals. I'm sure his goals wasn't to work in the same spot for like 30 years, right? So if he could easily be there after 30 years, why can't I? Like, if I don't pull my act together now, if I don't start something or push harder, that could be me. And that was kind of the wake-up call that I needed. Because when I looked at him, I was like, yeah, this is crazy. This is absolutely unbelievable. Like, I can't do that, right? Definitely can't do that. And that's what prompted me to change my life. So guys, let me break down the coaching business model so you guys can start this too. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, you can download my 10K coaching model breakdown PDF, which is completely for free. Click the link in the description down below. Download that, it's completely for free, and it will give you a complete breakdown on what I'm about to tell you. Now guys, to start a coaching business, right, all you need is one skill, okay? Now, you're probably watching this thinking, I don't have skills, I can't do this, X, Y, and Z. Listen, everyone has a skill. Everyone has some sort of skill that they can sell. I'll give you an example. There's a woman that teaches people how to knit, right? And she makes just under 20 grand a month. Now, if there's a woman that can teach people how to knit and make 20 grand a month, you guys have skills, okay? Like, there is no excuse. Unless you've been living under a rock your whole life, you've got a skill, right? So everyone has a skill. And the best way to identify that skill is firstly working out, what do people ask you to do the most? What is it that people struggle with and you come first in their head and they're like, yeah, this person knows how to do it. That's one very good way of breaking down what skill you're good at, right? Now, once you've got your skill, all you need to do is then package it into a program, work out your deliverables. So is it a course? Is it coaching? Is it, a community? What is it that you're actually selling and how you're delivering it? Then what you do is work out pricing. Now, pricing should be anything over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000, okay? And bear in mind, if you charge $5,000 as an example, you only need 2 clients to make 10K a month, which is so easy, right? Anyone can do this. Then what you need to do is create an online presence. And the best way to do that is by creating a YouTube channel, okay? Now, create a YouTube channel, talk about your niche, break down any problems, any issues within that niche, answer any questions, solve some problems, put a link in the description which sends them to your landing page, which has a VSL, get them to either message you or book in a call with you, and that's when you sell them your program and you'll make 5, 6, 7 grand, whatever it is that you charge. Guys, it's as simple as that. It's one of the most simplest, easiest business models that literally any beginner can do and make some serious money straight away. It's literally the online business model that's completely changed my life. Again, if you need any help with this and you want to work with me, click the link in the description down below, book in a call, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. And guys, once you start this business model and you get your first client, you're going to see how easy it is to make money online. You're then going to have freedom. You're then going to be able to live wherever it is that you want, where you can move to Dubai, you can move to the US, You can move to Saudi Arabia, Qatar, wherever it is that you want to move to, you can move to, and it will completely change your life because, guys, you'll have freedom. And all I preach on this channel is freedom, right? The money is great. The money is just a tool. But ultimately, what you guys want is freedom to work for yourself, work wherever it is that you want, not have a boss ahead of you, not have someone telling you what to do. You know, you want to work for yourself so you can do everything yourself and just have ultimate freedom. It's literally the best thing ever. And I would not have traded this for anything in the world. And it was all possible because of my online business and because I also decided to invest in myself. So guys, make sure you do exactly the same thing. Now, if you want me to break down this business model even further, because you can actually do this with no experience, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.